So today we are looking at noise under the car, and I put it on 4 rims so that I have enough space underneath to crawl around there to see what's happening. So I'm gonna use my phone to record things. Let's put this here, and then we're gonna go in there underneath and see how that works. I'm gonna look for the problems. So what's happening is this here. So I'm gonna take the camera over here, take a quick look. Oh, if you can see this here. Not sure. That's why I'm going to use my iPhone video widescreen, and I film the details here. So we see here that the shaft shield here fell off. You can see this here. There and there. It's like really ripped out. And I'm gonna put this back in here. So all those bolts are still there. This is good. And it melted through the thing here. This is nuts. Okay, so let's see how we can handle it. So we have those things that hopefully make it. Yeah, we do. There. And you see this? Those clips. I think we use this at Audi. And slam that in. There. There. There, so then you're good. And here, and I'm gonna put the second one over it, just because I have plenty. Just to make sure that they stay in place, right? As I said, I have plenty. Okay, so this is fixed here. Now I have to check the other side. If there's more. Okay, so let's turn my phone on again, and now we look here how those wider brackets clip that on, and I'm going to put a link in the description below where to get those. Amazon, right? So there's one. There's the second one. So I put one more on there. So with this camera we can see better. You see, I have a second one on here, and then I just use like this one here to just plug it in. Okay, and there's one over here. Oh, I have two by accident. Doesn't matter. You can put two on there if you like. So cheap. There, see that? Now this thing is like top. It's not touching the exhaust anymore. Of course, I'm gonna have to take it for a ride, but it's good. And then we can check the others if they're all good. Here's the gas tank. Is that leaking anywhere? There was another thing I heard. The gas tank leaking when it's full, but I don't see anything down here leaking. It's plastic. Everything is plastic. Here's electrical wiring. It's a lot of rust here, right? Look at the shaft. How this is not out of balance with all the scrap rusting off is nuts. And look how long this is gonna hold. Shit. You know? So those shields up there are good. Up front there is one trying to come out. You just check for every single one of them. And looking okay. Down there, that was damage from a car jack, I bet. But okay. So far so good. If we have to ever take this off, it's gonna be fun. Alright. Not more to see. So there is no oil leak here. It's good, right? Transmission. There is a little wet. Not sure where this is coming from. So when you have it where it's wet, that's good. But if it's leaking, then you have to see that you have enough oil in there, right? You don't want to be low on oil. Okay. Alright. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. So I'm going to show you quick those things here. That's the name of it. It doesn't. But those are those little clips that you can run over the bolt, and it keeps stuff in on the wide area. I think Audi makes those. Link below in the description.